Good afternoon. Today I'm going to show you how to perform an initial router configuration. You're going to learn how to configure router host names, passwords, a variety of them, secret, line, VTY. There's a bunch of them that we're going to learn. You're going to learn how to put on a banner message, and you're going to learn how to verify a router's configuration. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to come in and you're going to click this customer PC. We want to go to desktop and terminal so we can deal with it. Then you're going to click OK. You're going to hit enter to get to this screen, and then you're going to type enable. Then you're going to type the command configure terminal, and we're going to change our host name to customer router. Then we're going to type enable password. This is just the basic password, which is going to be Cisco. We're going to enable a secret password, which is Cisco 123. Now we're going to do line console 0, and the password here, you're going to type password Cisco 123. Now, when you're doing this on your own and you're creating your own network, you do not have to do Cisco 123. The next command we typed was log in, because that's when it's going to do it, and then we're going to type exit to get out of the line that we were just in. We have another change we're going to make to line VTY 04. The password for this line is going to be Cisco 123. And now we want to look at something, so we're going to exit out of that. We're going to hit exit. We're going to hit the return. And at this screen, we're going to type show running -config, and we're going to hope we did everything right, and we did, because here it is. It's going to work. It's not in the directions, but you're going to have to either hit enter or the space bar to go through the mores. Now we're going to configure our terminal again, because you cannot make changes without it being in configuration mode. We are going to do pass out service cannot forget your hyphen, password encryption. Now be careful when you're typing this. Don't get too happy with the enter, because sometimes if you make an error, it catches it and it just shows you the error. But sometimes if it's in like the first word, it does this little freeze up thing while it tries to search, and you'll be stuck. It's not fun. You have to sit there and wait and wait and wait, and it eventually comes back. So you're going to hit exit. We're going to hit enter again so we get back down to this customer router. We're going to type the show running -config again. And again, it's showing us these where these passwords are. Okay, giving us a bunch of information. Customer router is where we're at now. And now we're going to go back up a level, because again, you cannot configure a customer router. Has to be the config. Okay, now we're going to put in a banner. Banner MOTD. And now you want a $, and this is where you want to be careful, because this is what the person is going to see. Authorized. Make it look pretty. Access only. And the $signs seem to be the telling it this is what you say. Okay, so you hit enter, and we're going to exit and exit, because we wanted to see what it did. You hit return, and now we're at our password, which is Cisco 123. Now we want to enable it, and here's the other password we told it to put in, and it's there. We're going to configure the terminal because we have one more thing to configure. Now we're going to go no IP domain dash lookup. This is going to stop it if you were trying to type exit and it just typed XIT, it would do that whole process where it was looking for it, and it would take several minutes. This will should stop that from happening. Now we're going to hit end, and we're going to do copy and start. You can hit enter again because it doesn't really matter file name, or you can give it a file name. Either way, for this it doesn't matter. We're going to type exit and we get back to return and Cisco 123, and we're back in, and it looks like it was configured. And that is how you configure an initial configuration on a router.